continents, dancing round the earth. 7 friends spin hand in hand. Asia, Asia stretches tall and wide, where lanterns float on evening tide.
Mountains touch the sleepy moon.
Monsoon rains sing a watery tune. Africa, sun warms golden sand.
Baobab trees wave hello across the land.
Drums beat thump thump in the night. Fireflies dance in starry light.
North America,
North America has bumpy roads where prickly cactus wears green coats.
rivers rush through forest deep.
Rocky mountains play peek-a-sleep. South America, South America's rainforest green, like a giant garden, fresh and clean.
Waterfalls splash with rainbow spray.
Parrots chatter all the day. Antarctica's land is shiny white. Penguins waddle from left to right.
Icebergs float in chilly seas. Whispers every freezing breeze.
Europe's fields grow round and round. Windmills spin without a sound.
Castle towers point up high.
Olives ripen beneath the sky. Australia hops with sandy feet, where coral reefs and deserts meet.
Kookaburras laugh, cuckoo-cree.
Sunshine hugs the land and sea.
7 friends spin hand in hand across the ocean overland. Big blue earth goes round and round. Our whole world a happy sound. Little Pip, a penguin small, happy with his family all, waddling on the ice so white, under sky of morning light. Let's go find some fish to eat, said Mama with a happy tweet. Off they went, a waddling line, to find some fish that look so fine. Pip saw sparkles in the blue, chased a fish that swam right through. He swam fast and looked around, his family's happy waddling sound. Gone! Just big ice and water deep. Pip began to softly weep. Where is Mama? Where is Dad? Feeling very scared and sad. He climbed up on icy ground, looked and looked, but no one found.
Baby elephant flaps his ear. Friends, our chocolate trip is near. Bunny wiggles her nose so pink. Turtle smiles quick as a wink. Down the hill they happily go, past the river moving slow. Bunny hops on fluffy feet. Turtle's walk is oh so neat. Elephant steps make soft thump thumps, passing ladybugs in clumps. Factory chimney puffs white steam. Chocolate smell, a yummy dream. Big brass door goes creak, creak, creak. A kind mouse begins to speak. Welcome friends, come see the fun. How we make sweet treats for everyone. First they see big sacks of brown cocoa beans from far off town. Beans get roasted, pop, 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 in a giant spinning top. Crunch, crunch go the rollers strong, turning beans to liquid song. River swirls so warm and deep, milk and sugar join the sweep. Swish swirl in the shiny pot, bubbling hot, a chocolate lot. Pour the mix in molds just right, hearts and stars shine warm and bright. Whoosh goes cold air blowing fast, making chocolate firm at last. Turtle sees a star so yellow, shiny like my shell, nice fellow. Bunny spots a carrot sweet, orange chocolate, what a treat. Elephant loves squares with nuts, peanut piles in chocolate ruts. Slidey track takes shapes away, twirly wrap machines at play. Paper dresses fold so tight, sealed with stickers, what a sight. Robo arms go beep beep boop, filling boxes loop-de-loop. Truck bell rings, ding ding dong, shipping chocolates far along. Factory mouse gives each a sack, carry treats on your way back. Elephant's pack goes on his trunk, thank you, that was quite a hunk. Bunny's bag smells sweet and nice, balanced with her carrot spice. Turtle's box sits on his shell, ride home steady, won't you tell? Sun goes down, the sky turns pink. Three friends pause beside the sink. Munch, munch, crunch, a chocolate square, sharing bites with happy care. Fireflies blink in twilight blue, best adventure just we three. Home they go by moonlight beam, stomachs full of chocolate dream. Tucked in beds with sleepy sighs, chocolate stars and night sky eyes. Whisper soft as day is done, factory fun for everyone. We, our bikes go fast and free, pedaling happily. Just watch me. Ben and Lily, 3 years old, got their bikes shiny and bold. Helmets on so safe and bright, buckle straps with all their might. We, our bikes go fast and free, pedaling happily. Just watch me. Ben's blue bike goes ding, ding, ding. Lily's pink bell starts to ring. Push the pedals round and round, feet don't touch the grassy ground. Down the path they see a tree. Look, a bird, says Lily. We, our bikes go fast and free, pedaling happily. Just watch me. Flowers pink and flowers red, nodding by the path ahead. Up a hill they slowly creep, pedal harder, Ben calls deep. At the top, what do they see? A fuzzy squirrel in the tree. We, our bikes go fast and free, pedaling happily. Just watch me. Down they zoom, the wind blows cool, passing by the ducky pool. Quack says, duck, come play with me. Next time calls out Lily. Round the bend past Mr. B, buzzing near the clover
higher tree. We, our bikes go fast and free, pedaling happily. Just watch me. Tired legs now slow and steady, back to home all warm and ready. Park the bikes beside the door, best bike ride they both declare. Mama hugs with happy smiles, adventures take so many miles. We, our bikes go fast and free, pedaling happily. Just watch me.